New Media Rights has been the most impactful program at California Western since I've started.
New Media Rights Clinic is really a chance for students to actually work with real life clients in the technology space, in the media law space.
It's the first time that I've actually gotten to work with real world clients on real world cases. They really let you take the reins on the case. Being involved in the cases here at New Media Rights has really given me a lens to know what the realities of practicing law in this area entail.
The types of law that students work on in the New Media Rights Clinic are really intellectual property, and then students also work on media and privacy law issues. All of those areas are growing areas in the law.
Even if I don't end up practicing in intellectual property or transactional law at all, New Media Rights is going to make me a way better lawyer. I came to California Western to get an education that would prepare me for practice, and joining New Media Rights has given me all of the skills I could have asked for to be a practice-ready lawyer upon graduation.